Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, something a little bit different. I don't generally do news, but this one has been really exciting me, kind of like a kid at Christmas. So I'm really excited for this, and I thought I'd do a little video on it. So today, the 21st, is RazerCon, and Razer are announcing some things that I've wanted them to do for a long time, believe me. So they are now stepping into the realm of PC components. In this, I'm going to go over the range that they're going to be announcing at 7 o'clock GMT, BST, it's BST for the UK. Details that we know now, anyway. This is all the information I have until obviously they actually release the products and full press releases and stuff like that. But we can definitely have a look at what they're going to be offering over the next few weeks and months. And it's really exciting stuff. So they're going in for the aspect of quality and performance as well. They're not going to be skimping on like materials and components they're going to be using in the stuff. So it's all very high premium quality. I'm not quite sure who the OEMs are going to be that they're going to be basing the things off of. So for example, Asetek make the coolers for closed loop coolers or all-in-one liquid coolers, and you often get brands like Seasonic that make power supplies and then they're kind of rebadged. Not sure who's providing the actual internals of these products yet, but for now we can definitely have a look at what they're going to look like, which is really cool. I've got the information on my screen and I'm going to pop it up for you to see as well. It's going to be a lot easier to for me to use the laptop because there's just so much information. Let's look at the first thing, which I'm going to first cover, the case fans. They're going to be offering 120mm and 140mm fans. These are called the Kunai chroma fans. They're going to be giving 70% more static pressure and 26% CFM improvement over the competition. Efficient cooling and quiet acoustics, 21% quieter apparently as well. You can also daisy chain them or control them together, which is nice for the RGB. As I did mention, there's two different sizes. In terms of specs of the fans, we've got 18 adjustable LEDs on the 120mm variant and then 22 on the 140mm variant. They're using hydraulic bearings, as I said. You've got a range of RPM from 500 to 2200 RPM on the 120 and 500 to 1600 on the 140. Now Razer do have a adjustable RGB controller out already, but they are bringing out a PWM fan controller, which will obviously pair with the new fans absolutely perfectly. So this controller will allow you to customize the fan curves for maximum thermal performance, so you can have it nice and quiet when you're not doing anything intensive and then ramp it up when you're maybe doing rendering or playing some games. Plug and play with a thin profile, so I would have thought you'd be able to put this maybe on a 2.5-inch SSD slate or something on the back of your case, so it's nice and flush and it won't take up too much room. And you can also connect up to 8 fans on this as well. Those Kunai fans are also available on their new all-in-one liquid cooler, which is the Hambo chroma. This is designed for maximum thermal performance. It's got an optimized pump intake with silent operation and improved reliability. Again, I'm not sure who the OEM is for the pump. You know, Asetek do a lot of designs, but until we can actually get it in and crack it open, I'm not too sure on that, but we'll see as time progresses. So this is going to be available in a 240 and a 360mm design at launch. They may do a 280 after, we shall see, but for the time being they're going to be doing the 240 and the 360 to cover the most commonly used sizes. Again, you've got the RGB fans on there, and then the pump actually has addressable RGB on it as well with the Razer logo. And that cooler is going to be available from November, so a couple of weeks away. And of course, as any more information comes out, I'll post about it maybe on Twitter. And I'm hoping to get samples of hopefully both sizes as well, so we can actually show you them up close and it's a system to show you how they'll actually look in person rather than just photos. And last but not least, we've got my personal favourite from the announcements, which are the new Katana power supplies. These are platinum rated and fully modular, ultra efficient power delivery with 0 RPM fan modes as well, so when your power supply is not under heavy load, it won't actually spin the fan, so it keeps things nice and quiet. So these are going to be available from 750 up to 1600 watts. More specifically, we've got a 750, 850, 1000, 1200 and 1600 watts, so 5 different wattages in the first wave of power supplies. Now typically you'd find more PCI connectors and EPS connectors the higher up you go with your wattages, so we shall see exactly how many of each connector are available as we know a bit more information. But for the time being, the specs we've got here are 180X, so that would be a 24 pin. You've got 2 EPS, for your motherboard power, 6x6+2 PCI, so for your graphics cards, 12 SATA, a 4x 4-pin peripheral, so that's a Molex, and then you've got a floppy adapter as well. The fan that's in those power supplies is addressable as well, so you can control it in Synapse, 140mm, and the final thing to note is the 750 to 1200 is platinum rated, and the 1600 is titanium. These will be available at the start of 2022, so looking forward to those. So that was a look at the launch range of PC components from Razer. That's a sentence I wanted to say for a long time. And let me know which is your favorite down below. Personally, for me, it's either going to be the coolers or the power supplies. I'm really keen to see what kind of connections you get with each wattage as well. So hopefully we'll be able to have a look in a bit more detail very soon as samples are available. Same thing for the coolers as well. Obviously different sizes and different sizes of fans too, to all check out. So as soon as samples are available, I will do my best to show you guys. But as for this one, I think we're all done. I will put the press release and stuff down below as well if you want to look at it on the website, if there's any details you want to know of anything that I might have missed. And I think that's it for this one. So thank you all for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to subscribe and ding the bell so you don't miss a video. Also follow my social networks down below, as I will be updating any information that gets announced about the products all on there. And of course, as the samples arrive, then I should start banging out the videos for you guys to see them in a bit more detail. So really looking forward to this stuff, and I hope you all are too. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.